What is going on, guys? This is your boy Astrum Sensei, and I'm finally back to making more videos. I know I say that a lot, but yeah, this time we are making a progress update for new Dragonslayer, which is my 2D JRPG. Today I actually want to show you what I've done since we transitioned to Unreal Engine, and there isn't really much progress because I haven't been on the project too much. I did make some progress on the battle system and on the battle transitions, and I'm gonna show you that today. Also, I mentioned before that I wanted to make the game a turn-based RPG, but since, I first started making the battle system as a turn-based battle system, but then I decided that it kind of was stale, and I decided that it's gonna be more action-oriented. So it's kind of like Final Fantasy 13-3, which was Lightning Returns. You have stamina and the battles all take place on a separate screen. However, it will be more action focused. So let's actually check it out by walking around in the fields. So I'm gonna put on my earphones and let us begin. So here we go, we start playing the game, and I didn't actually make it like random encounters yet, but that is what I plan to do. However, when you actually walk into the place that I determined will turn on a battle, it will get you into the battle transition, which is like the scary heartbeat thing, and then it takes you to the battle screen. And I know I stole that song from Final Fantasy VIII, but yeah, this is just like the style that I want for the battles theme. So you can see that I actually added 2.5D elements, and that is because, we're using Unreal Engine, so why not just make it look fabulous? A lot of people are doing this Octopath style, and I might not be able to do it for the entire game, like for the outside, and that is because it will take a lot of 3D assets, but I feel like for battle screens it's definitely okay, and I can definitely do it, because I can either model these small areas myself, or I can get someone to do them for me. So yeah, I'm doing this Octopath style for the battle screens, where the characters are 2D sprites, but the backgrounds and environments are entirely 3D, and you can see how gorgeous the reflection looks. This actually isn't really a reflection, it's more like only the roughness. But yeah, you can see that we have battle animations and they look fabulous. Oh, also I wanted to mention one thing about the environment. The background will also be 3D, but this is one from when I had it as a 2D game. So yeah, I'm just doing it 2.5D now for the battles only. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is what the walking animations look like for the battle screen, and these are the idle animations. You can see how gorgeous they look. It did take me some effort to actually make these, because I'm not really used to pixel art, and not having enough space for drawing everything was really a pain. And I'm still not done, by the way. I still need many more battle animations, so I'm definitely gonna have to make more and see. Also, we can press this flee button. It takes us to the normal screen, but we're not gonna press it yet. So anyway, you can actually dodge. Oh, sorry, you can actually attack, and you can see the the user interface. There is actually a stamina bar, and this is what I call the ASP bar. This is like the ATB from Final Fantasy, but it's like a stamina that fills up slowly, and once you actually deplete it, you cannot fill it again unless you use an item, or you have to wait and try to avoid the enemy's attack, or you can actually switch to another party member. So yeah, party members will be in the game, but you will not be able to use both at the same time. You will have to switch while the stamina is refilling. Again, I'm doing this very similar to the Final Fantasy 13-3 battle system, where you switch between armor sets and jobs when you are waiting for the stamina to refill. But again, I'm making it as original as possible because I don't want to be like a copy. But yeah, you can see how the stamina takes away when you are attacking, and you can see that the attacking animations work for both sides. I will have combos in the game, so you can actually attack more than once while the character, like when you attack, there is a time limit, and if you attack within it, he will display another animation, but I still do not have the animation, so I want to make them first before I implement it. Another thing I have is the shooting, so let's try to shoot, and you can see that the shooting animation also looks gorgeous. And we cannot shoot unless there is stamina, so right now I'm actually trying to shoot and it is not working. So yeah, you can't shoot unless you have stamina. And also I made shooting take away MP, magic points, which is this purple bar. Also the EP, these are the magic points, they are not called MP in my game. Yeah, the EP are the magic points and they will be taken away every time you shoot. However, the final game will not be like that. I only linked it to the shooting for testing it. And you can see that the bar works and the text works in the user interface. Also, I have this E button, which will take away some health. This is only for testing, and you can see that the bar actually works perfectly for it. Also, I have the dodging ability, which I know it looks horrible. The animation looks atrocious, but yeah, it just does the job for now. Yeah, we dodge and it looks okay, I guess. It's not that bad, but it takes away stamina. And for, you know, you can dodge while it's actually refilling, and that is because dodging will take less in the final game. It will take less stamina than the attacking. So while you are waiting for it to refill, you can like dodge once and avoid the enemy, and or you can just, you know, switch to another party member. And as a surprise, I'm gonna show you something. I actually implemented party members already. So if you press the 1 key, and that is only for testing, you can see that we now have changed to Grace. The party member's name down there, down below there, actually has changed to Grace, and her health bar is different. Her EP bar or the magic is also a different amount. So if we switch back to Kaiser, wait, there's also a third party member. Yeah, if you switch back to Kaiser, you can see that his max EP is 50, but for Grace, it is 145, and also her stamina isn't, like, it's not depleted. If you switch back to Kaiser, you can attack, for example, and finish the stamina. And then when you switch to Grace, you can see that her stamina isn't really, like, it's full, and that is because we didn't use any of her stamina. So if we switch back to Kaiser, you can see that the stamina is still refilling, which is amazing, to be honest. I'm becoming a genius at Unreal Engine. I know, I'm kidding, don't make fun of me. Anyway, we can switch back to Grace, and you can see that she has her own bars. Of course, I still didn't link them to the attacking and all of that stuff, and that is because Grace will have a different character sprites. So I still didn't do those, but switching to those sprites is going to be easy. So this is like the first video about the battle system saga or something. So we are going to have to make a few more of those. And that is because we need, like, there's still a lot of work to be done, and also we have to implement enemies. But for starters, I think this is great and it's a good start. Also, we have the third party member, which is called Bowie. And I didn't want to like reveal that yet, but hey, you already saw that. So yeah, he's just called Bowie, and I still didn't add anything for him. Also, one more thing I added is the leveling system. If you look at the top right corner of the video, you can see that level 1 Kaiser, level 0 Grace, and yeah, those are random numbers. Each needs a different amount of experience points, and when you press the X key, which is only for example, I will actually add EXP, and you can see that, for example, we gave Grace more EXP than Kaiser, and if we press it again, you can see that they all each level independently, and the required XP to progress to the next level will also change depending on the character, and it will change automatically. So I didn't actually set those, I just set up the math for it. And yeah, doing the math was a nightmare for me because, you know, I'm not a math person and I'm pretty stupid, to be honest, so I don't know how I came up with all of this stuff. But for this, I didn't actually follow any tutorials, which was like amazing from me because, you know, I'm not that much of a genius, but turns out I'm becoming one. I'm kidding, don't take this seriously. I'm not like this super egoistic person. Anyway, we can see that they level independently and we're only adding like 1000 each time, but you can see that the more you go, the harder it becomes to level up. And the amount of EXP we will add is not 1,000, so it's gonna take like a while to get to level 99, but you can definitely do that now in the game as long as you can find monsters to level through. Of course there aren't any yet, so yeah, we still have to do that. So anyway, you can see that Grace is now level 34 and Kaiser is level 13, so there is like a huge difference. Oh, sorry, not 13, but anyway, you can see how amazing this looks. Also, we want to try the flee button, so I'm gonna try to press it. You can see how we pressed the flee button and it took us back to the level. Also, you can notice that the song actually continues from where it left off, similar to Final Fantasy games. I know I'm mentioning Final Fantasy too much, but hey, it's the reason I'm making games anyway. So yeah, you can see that the game is off to a good start. I want to continue on the battle system and I definitely want to like improve it. Also, I need to do the camera system because currently you can like look outside the tile set. Anyway, I think this is it for this update. I'm definitely gonna be like trying to speed up with the progress because I want to finish this game. So I decided that I'm gonna speed it up and I'm gonna be showing you all of the progress that I do. There's too much to show, so I'm not gonna like to take too much time with this. So if you guys want to see more and you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, I have prepared the next upload and that is a video that I'm working so hard on, so please look forward to it because I would really appreciate it if there was like someone looking forward to it. And I will see you next time. Take care, have a great day, and bye.